Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today here I'm going to show you how to connect or add Binance Smart Chain into your MetaMask wallet. To do so, you need to go to this article. You'll find the link in the description. It's by Binance Academy. So there is some information here if you want to read it, but we need to go to this here. So this info here is what we need to add to MetaMask wallet. To do so, go to MetaMask and let's expand the view. Okay, now it's better. As you can see here, it's Ethereum mainnet, and we need here Binance Smart Chain to appear. To do so, go to settings, go to networks, add network, and let's copy this information. Make sure to add these two even though it says it's optional, okay? And click save. Now, as you can see here, Smart Chain, all right? So let's head back to our MetaMask, and as you can see here, it shows that we can start swapping the coins or tokens that are on the Binance Smart Chain. And congratulations, now you have connected Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. So as you can see here is your address, and you might notice that it's similar to the one that of Ethereum that you have on MetaMask, but this one is linked and connected to Smart Chain. So let's say you want to send your crypto from Binance, just copy this one here and paste it there, and make sure to choose Smart Chain protocol, and they might ask you if this is connected to Smart Chain. Say yes and go through with it, and it will work. And to see from here is similar, and if you want to head back to Ethereum, just click here, and here is Ethereum. All right, simple and easy. And please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.